Hey guys, my name is Chris and today I'm going to be reviewing some scents that I got from Poetic Body. So here's the first one. I opened it already. But here's the first one and it's called Treasure. So I'm just going to use my middle finger to put it on my hand and smell it. It smells really good. It's called Love Note. Shout out to Miss Dorset for letting me review some of her scents. Miss Dorset is the one that made all of these scents. And if you want some of these scents, maybe you should go to Poetic Body to get some. I think I like Treasure the best. But if you want some of these scents, maybe you should go to Poetic Body to get more. Bye!